Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south, I'll be spreading out.
What's going on, my credit snipers? This is your boy Carlos Estrada. I am the credit assassin, and guys, I'm excited that you guys are here today. Today I want to continue talking about business credit. Now let's talk about corporate credit. That's a fancy term of saying that, hey, your business can obtain its own credit, meaning that you don't have to become that personal guarantor at the beginning. So guess what? No matter what business you start today, you will always be that personal guarantor, meaning that person or that subject that will guarantee those funds, either secure or unsecured, credit card, SBA loan, or even a loan for your business. Now, the goal here is for you eventually and over time, months, years down the line, you can now build your business credit. So like that, you can start getting the lending, not having to use your personal credit. Now guys, it is essential that you also work on your personal credit. There's so many factors. I mean, you could check one of my other videos. There's so many factors that go into play in order to actually get a great credit score. Now today I have an 838, and that has taken time of learning and taking the time, working the ropes, going through battle with companies, bureaus, and allow me to bring to you what we've been able to find out, what we've been able to accomplish, what I've been able to do with my own credit for personal and business. Guys, I want to make sure I help you. I want to make sure that I guide you. Anything and everything that you hear in this channel is something that I tried. For the most part, I failed the first time, but you know what? I learned the right way, and that's what I love to bring to you guys. But Selfless Plug time. Now, if this is your first time on our channel, or you are a repeated offender and you still haven't subscribed, guys, still subscribe to this channel. There's a lot of information that is coming in the next couple of weeks, next couple of months, that we're going to be putting out daily. Now, guys, make sure that you click on the bell icon, click on all, so that you'll be notified every time that we post a new content. But guys, at the same time, please do not forget to give me the thumbs up. That is going to help me tremendously to put this content, this value to many more people. I want you to benefit from this, but allow me to bring this preach, this word to many more that are looking to start a business, to start creating the business credit that they want. Because sometimes you don't know the dynamic between family, between business members, or business or colleagues, so who knows. The goal here is for your business to be self-sustained, so you could develop that business, so you could leave that generational wealth to the generation, to your kids, to whoever you want to leave this business to. But at the end of the day, we are all here to make money, right? To survive, to live the good life. You deserve it. You are here in this country, and if you are in this country, this is the best and greatest country in the world. So let's actually put our minds to use, and let's do things the right way. Just make sure that anytime you follow one person, follow that person, because that person walked the path that you are trying to walk on. Now guys, keep in mind, to secure true business only bank, credit card, and cash financing, your business must maintain the following. The first thing is that you need to have is 10 reported trade lines to your credit files. Remember, the 3 bureaus, the main bureaus that govern your business side is your Small Business Experience, you have your DMB, Dun & Bradstreet, and you have your Small Business Equifax. Now you must have, usually in order to build, you need to have 5. But in this case, you need to make sure you have at least 10 that are still reporting to these three bureaus. So like that, your file is strong enough, has a foundation to create that leverage in order to be lendable and bankable as well. Second, your business must maintain a 70 score in all 3 credit bureaus. Now, keep in mind that when you are anything between a 0 and a 49, you are considered high risk for your business. Anything between a 50 to a 79, you are considered medium risk, and anything over 80 and above, you are very low risk. So it goes from red, amber to green. But in this case, remember that we're looking at the whole profile of your business. So you must maintain at least a 70 score in all 3 credit bureaus in order for you to become lendable and bankable as a business owner, business only, or corporate credit financing company. Number 3, make sure that your business meets all the 20 compliance items that we have in our software. Now, there are 20 of them, and some of them could be like the EIN, your business address, business phone number, whatever the case is. But guys, if you want to know about those 20 items, go on the bottom of this video. There's a free scan that we want to go ahead and provide to you. The first 1,000 businesses will be able to come in and still be able to get this service. But go ahead and get your free scan, find out if you are meeting the compliance items in order for you to start becoming lendable and fundable. And if you want our help, guys, that's what we're here for. We're here to help. Now, guys, number 4 is having a minimum bank account rating of low 5. What that means is that for the past 90 days, you have had at least $10,000 in your bank account or more. So remember, low 5 is the minimum, is the magic number in order for you to become lendable and start creating that corporate credit that you definitely need. Number 5, have established in the past a comparable credit of what you are looking for. If you are looking for today for $50,000, $100,000, you have had some type of lending in the past that matches what you're looking for today. Now, it is a catch-22, and I see if you never had it, oh, how can you get it this time? But so the first time, you are going to have to be that personal guarantor. Now, the goal here is that you did it and you fulfill it successfully. Now, this time when you actually requesting the same amount or more, probably, you are doing it only with the business credit and not alone with yours. Number 6 is have an entity that is either an LLC or an incorporated, a C Corp or an S Corp or whatever you have. Not a sole proprietorship or partnership, guys. That's something that is a no-no. It will block you. It will blacklist you from getting certain type of lendings. You still can get some type of lending, but it's not something that you're looking for. You will not be able to get what we call corporate credit if you have a sole proprietorship or partnership. And lastly, guys, number 7, have a verifiable presence. You need to be able to be found locally, nationally, and in the 411. It is essential. This is something that your lender will always look for. They want to know your reputation, management reputation, marketing reputation, you name it. This is something that should be essential and start establishing the brand of your business, your brand, you as the representative of the business. Keep those things in mind. Depending how big you want to make this venture of yours, this company that you created, if you want to scale it to the millions, billions of dollars, you name it, you need to keep in mind what you need to do and how you need to start acting today, how you need to start placing or laying the foundation of the business and of your brand. Guys, thank you for being here with us today. This is short and sweet. I just want to make sure that I give you some good points or like that. Allows you to think and seeing things completely different in order for you to start building that company, that foundation that you want, because credit is one thing. And remember, the money talks, but the credit has the conversations. Guys, thank you for your time. Look, if this was your first time, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe. Click on the bell icon, click on all, so like that you'll be notified every single time that we post our new content. But at the same time, give me the thumbs up. That is going to help me tremendously, and I appreciate it, guys. If you have any comments about this, do not forget, go ahead, put it in the comments. Let us know how we did, how we can do better, how we can improve our content for you guys. But again, if you still want to get in the 360 Business Vantage, go on the bottom of this video. There's going to be a link that allows you to get in for free and get the free scan, guys. Get your free scan, find out where you stand, find out how we can improve you. Not improve you, but help you improve. You know what I mean. So, guys, thank you once again. My name is Carlos. I am the Credit Assassin, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.
I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them?